What is up, everybody? So right now I'm at Grandpa's. Right now I've got the Branson 4720 and I'm gonna hook up the bush hog, and then we're gonna go back there and do some bush hogging. Don't know a whole lot of what we're gonna do today, but I just know we're gonna do some stuff. So let's get this day started. Okay, so I'm done, and right now we are doing something with running a cable wire to an antenna. I don't know, but oh well, we're gonna. Okay, we are almost done. This is what we got done so far. We ran it up there and dug all out, running up here and down into the basement. Now, we were going to have to run it up to the barn, and from here, see that right there? It's got the cap on it. That runs up to the barn. So that saved us from there. All right. Oh. I think that's what he wanted. Well, we're almost done, I think. He's drilling that hole right now. Then I think we're gonna run, well, we might not run the cable, but it's all going to that panel. Yeah, we'll just see how this goes. There he is. Okay, so that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope you liked it. I'm going to try my best and edit this. But anyways, I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe. But I will see you guys in the next one.